So, we hear you're planning to install your own flooring. Or maybe you just want to know a little bit more about the process. Sweet. Going DIY can be very rewarding and comes with awesome bragging rights. But like most home projects, it helps to start with a little planning and some extra guidance. To that end, we are here to help. This page provides resources for every step of your floor installation journey, starting with how to calculate your square footage, deciding which type of floor works best for the room or rooms that you're renovating, how to pick a flooring material and a color, how to prep your subfloor, how to acclimate the flooring planks depending on the material that you choose, and how to get those planks laid. Fresh new flooring is a fantastic way to give your home a real transformation, and I, for one, cannot wait to see those before and after shots.
Watch more Callie Know How videos.